Welcome to CF Punjab video channel. Today's video will elaborate hardware components of computer. Hardware represents the physical and tangible components of a computer. There are many components that work together to make a computer work. Physical parts of the computer including processor and memory chips, input-output devices, tapes, modems, etc. all are hardwares. Hardware components are further divided as input device, output device, system unit. An input device let you communicate with a computer. You can use input devices to enter information and issue commands. Keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner are commonly used input devices. Keyboard is a standard input device used to enter information into the computer and for giving commands. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Mouse is an input device used to control the on-screen pointer by pointing and clicking, double-clicking or dragging objects on the screen. Mouse has 3 buttons, left button, right button and in the middle scroll wheel. Joystick is an input device commonly used to control video games. Joysticks consist of a base and a stick that can be moved in any direction. A scanner is an input device that scans documents such as photographs and pages of text. This creates an electronic version of the document that can be viewed and edited on a computer. Barcode reader is an input device that converts a pattern of printed bars into a number that a computer can read. These are often used by businesses to quickly input price and product information. A microphone allows computer users to input audio into their computers. It can record voice for singing, podcasts, and dictation. A webcam is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in a real time to or through a computer to a computer network such as internet. An output device displays information on a screen or creates printed copies or generates sound. Monitor, printer, speaker are commonly used output devices. Monitor has display screen to provide output to the user. It is where you view the information you are working on. It is a soft copy output device. A printer is an output device that generates text and graphics on a physical medium like paper. Printers are divided into impact printers and non-impact printers. Examples of the impact printers are dot matrix printers, daisy wheel printers, and line printers. Examples of the non-impact printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. Speakers are used to play voice, music, and other sounds transmitted as electrical signals from the sound card. The central processing unit contains the major components of the computer. A power supply unit converts main AC to low voltage regulated DC power for the internal use of components of a computer. All components of CPU are attached to SMPS for their power needs. The main printed circuit board in a computer is known as motherboard. Numerous major components crucial for the functioning of the computer are attached to the motherboard. These include the processor, memory, and expansion slots. The motherboard connects directly or indirectly to every part of the PC. Microprocessor is a controlling unit of a microcomputer fabricated on a small chip capable of performing arithmetic logic unit operation and communicating with the other devices connected to it. This is the brain of computer that interpret and execute program instructions and manage the functions of input, output and storage devices. Processor heats up very quickly, so keep it cool. A fan with heatsink is used on top of it. Random access memory is the internal memory of the CPU for storing data, program, and program result. It is a read-write memory which stores data until the machine is working. As soon as the machine is switched off, data is erased. That's why it is a volatile memory. A sound card is an internal expansion card that provides input and output of audio signals to and from a computer. It connects the speakers and microphone to the computer. All motherboards have inbuilt sound chip. Sound cards are used when inbuilt sound chip fails or we need additional benefits of sound card. Video card is an expansion card which connects the computer to the monitor. It is a circuit board attached to the motherboard that contains the memory and other circuitry necessary to send information to the monitor for display on screen. All motherboards have inbuilt graphics chip. Video cards are used when inbuilt graphics chip fails or we need additional benefits of video card. Hard disk is a magnetic storage medium for a microcomputer. Hard disks are flat, circular plates made of aluminum or glass and coated with a magnetic material. A hard disk is actually a set of stacked disks like phonograph records. Each disk has data recorded electromagnetically in concentric circles or tracks on the disk. An optical disk drive reads and writes all common CD and DVD formats. All modern optical drives that come with a personal computers are CD or DVD drives. Floppy disk drive is a device that holds removable floppy disk of 3.5-inch read-write heads, read and write data to the diskette. Modem is short for modulator demodulator. It is a hardware component that allows a computer or another device, such as a router or switch, to connect to the internet. It converts or modulates an analog signal from a telephone or cable wire to digital data that a computer can recognize. A network interface card, also known as NIC, network card, or network interface controller, is an electronic device that connects a computer to a computer network, usually a LAN. That's all for today. Hope you are now able to recognize the different hardwares of computer system.